My mom is visiting us and I'm cooking our family dish. I start by seasoning the chicken with salt and ground black pepper. I add some dry oregano for a little Mediterranean flavor. A good drizzle of olive oil and mix it very well. I heat the pan with my favorite mixture of olive oil and butter. I fry the chicken on the skin side first for a nice crispy crunch. Meanwhile, I cut the shallots. I have to turn the chicken now. In the meanwhile, I chop the carrots. The chicken is done and I put it aside. I put the shallots in the pan. Carrots join the party and add a bit of sweetness. I have to add the potatoes and season them well with salt and pepper. I'll chop some garlic. I have some parsley that I'm going to chop up really finely. I gently stir in the parsley. Don't forget the juices that was left on the plate. I heat 1/4 cup of honey. I add the same amount of sweet chili sauce. Squeeze 2/4 of the lemon. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Stirring all the time. I pour the sauce over the chicken. We are now ready for the oven. In just half an hour, it's ready.